abadde abuuza ki? Harriet, tuli wano ku Ugandan Embassy. Tuzze Ugandan Embassy na tujikubyeko graffiti because they pretend not to know what is going on. They pretend not to understand. As Uganda is bleeding on a daily basis, as people are being killed on a daily basis, the Uganda and the authority of Uganda and the embassy, Jetusasula, basirise. So Chetukoze leero Friday night, as they're not in the office, yonna embassy katujujuza graffiti, bajja batusibe oba batutte, ekyo nakyo tukimanye kigwe. Ugandans are frustrated beyond reasonable doubt. Ugandans are tired. We are calling upon the Ugandan embassy, abantu abakusasula, to call upon the government of Uganda to stop abducting our people. We are calling upon the Ugandan embassy and the ambassador of Uganda to call upon the government of Uganda to stop the police brutality, to stop killing Ugandans, to stop using the drones to kill our people. As you can see, yonna kumande bajja kudanga wajjudde. They'll see it, and I know they'll see it. So we are calling upon, because the ambassador of Uganda knows what is going on, and they're pretending not to see. They're pretending not to know what is going on. So we are calling upon them to see, and we are calling, maybe tubabiraba katika tubibalage, tubibateke right in their faces. They need to stop the genocide which is about to happen in Uganda. If these people are going to pretend we didn't know, baby no tubireseewo wano basebo ne bannyabo tubaekoola nga tubagamba nti nno Ugandan ambassador eyalondebwa hypocrite involved in killing Ugandans, tubakoola nga tubagamba nti bannayuganda bafa on a daily basis. Tubakoola nga tubagamba bakulu bannaffe abantu bali abducted every single day in drones. People are being killed on a daily basis. If you don't know about this, bibi no tubirese, mubirabe, mubitibwa, mubirengere bulungi nnyo. This is what is happening. Uganda is bleeding. We are calling upon the ambassador of Uganda to come and stand with Ugandans. Please, mulidde kimala. Mubye kimala. Mweyagalidde mu kintu kino ekimala. Abaana bafa on a daily basis. Abaana basibwa. Please stop the killing of Ugandans. So we have come here to bring a graffiti ono tumutekawo. Leta evapulo ebirala. Tekawo. Babirabe, babitegeere. Baba n'abawala bakutta amamundu. Wuyo bamutta omwana wuyo face yonna bagikubakuba. Babo babasibye very young, from the age of 17 to 35. They were abducted on a daily basis. As you can see, the police, besibe etambula ezunga n'emmundu mu kibuga, kakati katubibalage, abantu baffe bakubwa, campaigns abaana babo babatta, Franka wuyo is dead. Please, Ugandan ambassador, wabato chimanyi, nti people are dying. This is what is happening in Uganda. We have literally taken a minute to bring it. As you can see, Eddie Mutwe, Eddie Mutwe, ne Nubian Lee, bali arrested. Nga baba trying mu koti ya maje. Nenga Jamalu Mukulu. Yali mukaweefube k'okutta Abannayuganda ye bamutestingira mugundi mu kooti ya civilian, naye abaana abatalina na mmundu abatamanyire bakookinga mmundu bali mugundi. Tugende lindako naawe. So please, we call upon otya kirindako ali atyagenze Linda kohaleto papachi. So please, tuze tuli mu lockdown ya Bungereza era tuli allowed na ffe emitima gyakaluba da tujja kubitwalayo. Everyone, please, Ugandan ambassador, tukumanya osirikidde gy'osirikidde, as Uganda is busy bleeding, women are beaten up on a daily basis, women are dying. Robert Kyagulanyi has been arrested in his house. Kakati wini simanya whatever dolo agambye mbu ebibaluwa byafa abiganye atinga atachira abantu no Bobi bamusibira mu nyumba for almost a week and a half. So I don't understand how these people think. I don't understand what their mind is all about. So we have brought all this on Monday mubisangewo, mubitunuleko, mubitegere nti Uganda is bleeding because it looks like temuchimanyi. Temuchimayangako, era temuchiwulirangako. Kyekitulese tubibaterewo.
Yango bagambe. To put more posters in red to show that our people are being killed and tortured.
Yes.
Tortured, murdered, and we want this one to stop.
Yes. Thank you so much. Byebyo byembadde ekindese wano litiriti nzije kino nakyo tukigusi. Ekyo kiwedde bannange, take a minute. Don't join the struggle for fun. The struggle needs a proper sacrifice. You need to be in the struggle with your mind, soul and heart. You need to be in this. Mutima gwa kusavinga gwanga lyo. Tolowooza nogenda kubeera mu struggle ngatenga when it suits you and when it doesn't suit you tebikolera. No. Kino ekintu tukiyingire n'omutima, omutima tugikalubye. Linda katono. Katana nnyo kata tugende. Omutima gukalubye. Oyingire mu kintu ekino selflessly. Live and let live. You cannot be in the struggle 1 minute when it doesn't suit you. Ate I'm not in the struggle. Ate nze bajja kunzita. Ate nze bajja kunzita. Ate bajja kunkola batya. Kino ekintu tukiyingire nga kya mutima kufana kuwona. Thank you so much. Nsigadde nga ndi Patricia Sewungu omubwati. Kato.